Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our 5th grade math kit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Freewheeling is a game in which students are going to figure out what is happening to the interior number that's giving us our exterior number. So to start off, one of the students will secretly roll 3 dice, one being a 12-sided dice, one being a plus and minus dice, and another being a 6-sided dice. And they're going to create an expression. So in this case, we have 12, and I'm going to put x because that's going to be what we multiply, that's that interior number, minus the 6. Because we have the negative number and the 6 here. So that's our expression. So that student who rolled these dice in secret will plug this interior number into the x space and come up with an answer that they're going to put into the exterior number. So for example, 12 times 3 is going to give us 36, minus 6 is going to give us 30. So they're going to write in here 30. And see if any student has figured out what had happened. And if nobody's figured it out, which is unlikely at this point, because they'll probably say by 10, and that's not correct, we'll go to the next number, 8. And they can pick out any number on here that they want to try out. So let's do the 8, and we do 12 times 8, which is going to give us 96, minus 6 is going to give us 90. So if they guessed on this one, that it was times 10, this one doesn't work, that same function doesn't work for it. So they have to try again to have a guess. And if nobody's guessed correctly, they're going to go on to the next number, times 6. And we can do 12 times 6, which is going to give us 72. Minus 6 is going to give us 66. And they're going to write that in. So notice that we're continually putting in numbers, and they've got to figure out what is happening to each. We can go over here to the 0 and do 0, 12 times 0, minus 6 is going to give us a negative 6 in that case. So at this point, the kids might be able to figure out, well, part of the answer is going to have a negative 6 in it. So that gives them a clue right there on how to answer it. So there are ways in which you can make this simpler for kids. Do this as 6-sided dice plus or minus another 6-sided dice, which reduces the size of the numbers and might make it easier. If you just do positive, and this is always going to be a plus sign, you can just tell the kids always do addition, which might be easier for kids as well. So there's ways you can scale this up and down for the students, but enjoy. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.